materials you'll need for this project include a black sheet of paper, a thicker paper like oak tag, a paper towel, paints in the colors of white, green, and brown, colored pastels, a pencil, a Q-tip, a little piece of cardboard, and a pair of scissors. To begin, I'm going to draw a wavy line across my piece of oak tag. This is going to be the line of the mountains. Then I'm going to cut across the line, and I'm only going to save 1/2 of the piece of oak tag to use. Placing my oak tag at the top of the black paper, I'm going to choose a color of my pastel to color on the edge of the oak tag. I'm going to hold my oak tag still so it doesn't move. Next, I'm going to take my paper towel, hold my oak tag still, and I'm going to rub the color from the pastel upward onto the black paper. I'm going to move my oak tag a few inches down, and this time I'm going to repeat the process with a different color of my pastel, coloring the edge and then swiping it again with my paper towel up onto the black paper. I'm going to repeat this process until I have a little more than half of my black paper filled with colors. Now that I have the northern lights in the sky, I'm going to paint the snowy landscape. Fill in the bottom half of the paper with white paint. You might need to do 2 coats to get a nice, even, bright white. Next, dip a small piece of cardboard in the brown paint to create tree trunks. Make smaller tree trunks closer to the horizon line so it looks like they're farther away, and larger ones close to the bottom of the page. That way they look like they're near. Use another edge of the cardboard and dip it into the green paint to create the pine trees. Dab it in a slanted or diagonal edge. Once your pine trees are done, use the Q-tip to create stars, constellations, or shooting stars in the night sky. You can also add a little snow to the top of your trees.